Today we will be making
Onigiri!
salmon, tuna, mayo, and soy sauce.
I'm sorry. Okay, 3 servings.
3 servings of rice. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Afterwards, drizzle some oil onto the salmon with some pepper and salt. Now we're going to pop it into the oven for 4 to 6 minutes. Next, we'll be working on the salmon. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a fork. We're going to break the salmon apart. But you're going to want to make sure there's no skin on the bottom of the salmon and that there's no bone inside the mixture.
This is how it should look like in the end.
Now we will be opening the spicy tuna.
So have a bowl of water ready and put some salt in it, like this, and then microwave it for 30 seconds to allow the salt to dissolve.
Now it's time to make onigiri. First we're going to dip our hand in salt water.
Make a indent in the middle, like this.
Where's mine on my hand?
Mine too. And then put whatever ingredient you would like inside the indent. But I guess I needed more rice.
Fail.
Yep. Oh, fail.
Good.
And then place your soy sauce glazed onigiri until it gets burnt a little bit on the side, on the surface. That's when you flip it. Flip it. Put more soy sauce on top, like this.